Hi, I am Arkadan, and in this video I am going to describe you about what is semen leakage causes and herbal treatment. Many men suffer from accidental release of semen. Some men suffer from involuntary ejaculation on reading erotic stories, sharing sex stories with friends, and watching erotic movies. Increased hormonal activity in young age also contributes to involuntary semen leakage. However, with growing age, involuntary release of semen stops and you will feel normal. If you still suffer from accidental release of semen, you need to look for herbal treatment for semen leakage. Men who engage in excessive masturbation are likely to suffer from semen leakage, premature ejaculation, wet dreams, etc. If it is not addressed in time, you may permanently suffer from impotence. NF Cure capsules are made using powerful herbal ingredients to strengthen exhausted reproductive organs and offer effective herbal treatment for semen leakage and other sexual disorders. Powerful herbal ingredients in NF Cure capsules are ashwagandha, swaranbang, hiraniki, adamukayak, saft musli, kazar, tankaj, betony, long, dridranga, shatavari, pipal, sunhashilajit, kshirkya, pirushritan, lahbasma, and kavach bij. Nutrients and natural herbs in NF Cure capsules revitalize and strengthen your male reproductive system. It offers effective treatment for spermatorrhea. It strengthens parasympathetic nerves and offers best treatment for premature ejaculation and excessive pre-cum. Intake of nutritious diet. Vital M40 capsule along with NF Cure capsules improves your stamina, energy, libido, and erection strength. Key ingredients in Vital M40 capsules are Strychnus nux vomica, Anosma bracteum, Asphaltum punitibiunum, saffron, Withania somnifera, Terminalia chebula, Pongamia glabra, Asparagus ascendens, Cinnamomum cassia, Ferrum, Orchis mascula, White Arsenicum sulfidum, Chirophilus aromaticus, Aryl mystica fragrans, Asparagus racemosus, and Zingiber officinale. You are advised to consume one NF Cure capsule and one Vital M40 capsule twice a day for 3 months for curing your sexual disorders and live happily with your beautiful girlfriend. Both the herbal remedies ensure proper communication between brain and reproductive organs. You will be able to control nocturnal emissions and stay healthier for offering enhanced sexual pleasure to your woman. Vital M40 capsules and NF Cure capsules offer excellent treatment for herbal treatment for semen leakage. You can retain your bioenergy and feel energetic to participate in love act with enhanced enthusiasm. You can also make use of herbal oils to massage your male organ and remove blocks in arteries that carry blood. Mast mood oil ensures improved blood flow to your reproductive organs and strengthens nerves and tissues. You can enjoy improved size gain results in terms of thickness and length. Thicker penis will help to fill her genital passage and offer enhanced friction on genital passage walls, while at the same time you can penetrate deeper into her to maximize sexual pleasure. You can buy Mast mood oil, Vital M40 capsules, and NF Cure capsules from genuine online stores and cure your sexual disorders. You should regularly practice exercises like yoga, running, push-ups, etc. to improve your physique and stamina. You should consume healthy foods regularly to boost strength and stamina. Include foods like chicken, green leafy vegetables, eggs, carrots, Indian gooseberry, pumpkin seeds, oysters, cooked beans, and avocado in your daily diet. Buy NF Cure capsules, Vital M40 capsules, and Mast mood oil worldwide. web.ahshremedies.com